Well, it's November 1st, 2023. Didn't publish any videos yesterday. We had work to do to prepare for winter and all. I had to go over to the new property, and which I'll go over there in a couple of minutes. But I wanted to see how the ponds are doing. So this is pond 8. This is the one in the forested area that I did probably a month and a half ago now. So pretty happy with the water that's in here. We've had very little accumulative volume of rain, but now it's going to probably start accumulating because we got a couple inches of heavy snow last night and this morning, and so I got a lot of limbs down, trees up in the second and third food forest area. Now I'm going to go down to the beaver pond. Yesterday I did remove some of the top of the beaver dam. It's starting to wash off some of the roadway down there. But we will take a ride over to the new property, not the new property yet, where we dug a pond. It looks like it's starting to fill up already, so really happy with that one, and real happy with this one here, pond 8. Oh, and I did discover in the first food forest a couple of trees that are probably destroyed by the deer from deer rub. 'Tis the season, and I had taken the tree guards down from them. Dang it. So, well, I'll get on Pepe and we'll go take a look at the other pond, and then I'm going to get some change the SD cards and the camera and the batteries in the trail cameras down by the beaver. The beaver have really been working down there. I may show you down there. Well, let me just jump on Pepe quick and we'll go down there and you can discover with me. It's going to warm up, so I'll probably work inside today. But I do have a rake for the tractor coming today, so we'll see. It is cold and damp. Pond 3. Looking good. Is still low, but no water is going into it yet. Just a gradual accumulation. This is where I'll check the batteries and all in the cameras. That whole area over there has changed a lot since the beaver have been taking down so many of the trees, hundreds of trees. And I'm talking from 1 inch in diameter. And I still haven't figured out where their bank den is yet. But they've taken down several trees over here. And good sized ones, and then probably well over 100 of the small trees. And they've girdled so many other trees here. But this was all way up. The water level is right up to where we are now, washing out some of the roadway. So I'll head over to the new property. There's a lower beaver pond here. The other pond, the lowest of the beaver ponds, right over in that area. The upper beaver pond is right up in here. This is a real big one. There's still the upper beaver pond up here. Yesterday, and I came up and had to do some insulating in the well house for the new property so that we don't have problems with water freezing up. Muddy here. So the horse run-ins were up in that area. I cut in this swale here to try and keep things from flooding across the property here. Seems to be working so far. Of course, everything's coming off the tree here and working its way down and running into the pond. This is the new pond here. Doesn't look that big once it gets full. And it's not quite full yet. And of course next year I'll do a lot of work over here to get the landscaping, the earthworks around this nice and neat. And decide where the the spillway for draining the pond will go. I've still got to figure that out. But the ground is somewhat not solid, but it's much firmer than it was. Here's one of the big rocks. And I collected several others around so that we'll have sitting places all around the ponds. So this will be nice in the future. And it appears this is indeed spring fed, because there's no way we got anywhere near this amount of rain. So that worked out well. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. So it all started off as basically a trench going down this way, then digging over in there, and then working my way up, then over there, then over there, then over there. Lots of material came out of here, which were needed to build the roadway and to fill in around here. So we're both pleasantly surprised when we got over here yesterday, where it's come up at least another foot, 18 inches since yesterday. And I gotta say, I'm pretty darn happy with the rough the rough work. I'm trying not to step in real super soft spots here. The rough earthworks we did up there seems to be working so far. And these are some of the rocks, sitting rocks, that we'll put around the pond after I get the earthworks done around there. And then we'll decide what additional plants and trees we'll put in this area. So happy I was able to get as much done this season as I was. So that's an update on the ponds. It appears so far that our ponds, the earthworks done around the ponds is going to work out. So next year I can be pretty happy about coming over here and working again and getting some more stuff, and planting all the trees that we're putting in over the winter now, in the seedlings, the oaks, the white oaks, the swamp white oaks, and the Tupelo. And we still have some more chestnuts, and we'll be putting pawpaws in, but gradually trying to reforest this whole area as time goes on. But first I've got to make sure that the pitch and slope of the property here is correct, and I have more work to do up there, and certainly a lot of smoothing out to be done around here, and then moving the rest of the materials that I've got piled up around here, getting those set. So, just a quick update on where we are here. Now I'm going to go get those trail cameras set, check the batteries, or replace the batteries, replace SD cards, and then we have the rake delivery today, and I think I'll work inside on books today. So I hope you folks stay safe, take good care of yourselves, and enjoy your beautiful day. Bye-bye now.